Welcome to my next video in the series documenting my journey through AI technologies to build a client self-booking system or patient appointment booking system using AI technologies. So now we're having a look at processes behind building the actual application, in particular the back end or the back office systems. And so this is the client facing or public facing side. So this is cursor.ai, and we are using Gemini 2.5 as the LLM. So down here we've got the actual application, basically the directory. So here we said, okay, now we need pages for privacy policy, terms of service, and HIPAA notice. These can be standalone programs with a close button to return to index.php. Please search the internet for examples of these pages to use, replacing specific organization names with $organization name, etc. Then change the dummy links on the page footer with real links to these pages. So, and it's given me those 3 PHP files and modified the footer of the landing page. Now we have each page. Okay, so when it displays the page, it will replace the any sort of hard-coded organization name, business name, with the name of the company. On the user front end, the public-facing page, we're just having a look at the those 3 pages that it's just created. Let's see what it's done. Yeah, okay. Privacy policy. That's pretty shit. And there's no close. There's a close button. That's shit. At least it does close. That's one thing. Let's have a look at the other ones. Terms of service. Again, that's rubbish. There's no formatting at all there. Let's have a look. The HTML. Interesting. It's using the style sheet. Anyway, that's rubbish. And the last one is probably exactly the same. Okay, the content is okay. We can do better than that. Right, back to the drawing board. All right, catch you later. We'll try again. So I've just taken a screenshot and dropped it into the chat with cursor, and I'll just say, please refer to attached screenshot. Well, what I found is that the LLM really doesn't have context and doesn't remember our conversations and doesn't really have any understanding of what we're doing here. That's why I have to give it lots of context. Okay, yes, would you like to proceed? Please proceed to implement the changes. Okay, so it's made changes to those 3. I'll just accept all. I'll upload them. All right, just switch the screen over. I'll just refresh the page, see what it looks like now. What? Yeah, okay. There's no close button. Ah, good grief. All right. Back to it. Oh, there it is. Sorry, it is there, but I couldn't see it. Okay. Okay, I've applied the latest changes. We'll just refresh the button and boom, that's better. One thing I also realized is that I forgot to copy across the changes to the CSS file. So it's partly my fault, but definitely having a blue close button instead of a gray one is a big improvement. That's better. So if I say close, and we'll have a look at terms of service. Boom, boom, beautiful. Close and HIPAA notice. Okay, groovy. Okay, that's done. Excellent. Now we'll move on to the next improvement. There's a couple of small things, but anyway, I'll document that. Okay, thanks very much. Bye for now.